Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys, thank you all.
A man need to develop interest, so to how we know the boldness. A lot of men they like my woman when they bold. They like woman when know the shame. They like woman when also who na no debold na. He a president to a governor wa what him would yeke. He test woman when they bold to back man to say yes. Don't forget the day when man marry woman, the day he married the woman as a sister, as a best friend, as a lover, as a mother as well. The part of a mother working a play. Take it or leave it. Do you understand? Or not send him an when it's not concern the relationship. Don't send it outside. Immediately someone join as I was on a bar where you're a marriage in or that baron. Or night taro. Where confused, no by confused confusion while I want it. Here's all one day. I bow where ya can yeko, where ya can sue. Namu ye bear, namu ye yokoa. Nayamu yazike. Again, now where ya clear where the last mistake way. What other parts, Gary? A boy brought down a demon side chicken. Secretary Siki, Shatiki, women yafe for uno, or came uno way brother. Don't wear, I don't wear. Yimi on a yo, boy, I'm where you know, Muyo. Okay, my people. So we need to understand where life is too short to get so kind mindset. We're not the important. The one we're not the important. We not say positive and negative. Play no what plan big go, but most time if you dey too much they add negativity for life go get us be most time be courageous you get us say if we move to you know igbe I go we move you go see and go pass you or you know that is aspect of that. So my beautiful people, like I said, if you are a single mother, you live in any country, you want to see a responsible man, either Oibo or Daki, either Ghana or Senegal, either Gambia or Togo, either Oibo or Morocco, any one of your choice. If you are for your information, it doesn't matter. Say it must be Ebo no, Ebo no be Afghanistan, Ebo no be Egypt, Ebo no be Australia, Ebo no be Italy, Ebo no be Belgium, Ebo no be Russia, Ebo no ke different country, Senegal ro, Ghana ro. Kokobiri, all of them, Edo, Igbo, all those things. We are all useful. Maybe your husband not be your tribe person. They will die. Nani. Another foreigners. Also, love you. No, I cannot be better. No, by your work, no, not ballo any. No, go a message. I'm just telling you the truth. Okay? I am telling you the truth. Just take it. Or if you don't take it, it's a problem. Okay? That is it, my people. So, life is always like that. That one can pass. If you dress finish, weekend you're a single mother, you work a normal job. Just look for those people. If you not see, go around. You fit take officially when if it be Oibo, if it be Morocco, if it be all this one, it no matter. If you not see black hole, no the win in what you get not pan or official or lao. Hello, wagwa to like go agbon your latiane. Now I need a helper. Not going to take care of for more. Maybe in night you are going to somewhere you just need somebody to take care of them. Based on so we can see what that is so now money. My dear, dress finish. It no matter say the cloth be 100 or 200. No. Dress sexy in a mature, responsible way. Back card it should be carried you. The perfini be or be. The natural when on saloy. Umak babeta cafe banu be or no distance. Na mie wak boni responsible gabian le alwechigom. Inia no ragma mena no konote. Oba bliki kwa na mege double traffic gator. Or cham. Beno ya loe. We back can are a club. I'm a club people. Miss Club was a club people. You see Kokobiri, you see Ghana, you see everybody. If we have a club, maybe probably they will see a responsible woman, white or black or whatever. I am telling you the truth. Okay? Sometimes Kidoka club, when me with my son, okay, they go. Hell, my son, okay, no, my love. All right? So can club where we will go. We will see with Jimmy. Udu asimo gbese wo pe na ne dori e wana yon pa but based on say udu we see me because it start go maybe you eta kere at least if it's not 100% 70% it this side go maybe ji ma understand me say we orobu nyime na gwa we ra bu biye ma understand that is it wa gba kan wa re ba wa say wa no mama gwe wa me 20 euro is okay 30 euro we will yafo wa ya enjoy igbo you are going outside all right just buy some stuff drink. Sipe tota. Sit down. If you dare we to type on already me what man already me we just hello lady walk bare attache bwege keneboje because you come there because of a purpose. To job with be again you just go out. Hello beauty or hello sweetheart, hello sweetie, hello my queen. Okbe agwa lo when you who I want over. A queen in the way my be na no see dot way. Hello, sweetheart. What's the way? What's the what we do approach you? You go surprise say it will lead to marriage. All lead to marriage. Believe me. Instead of gwali no roto te step in wari shigon. E gbo to that say. Or that's if we take work much agbera gbuji. Otienu, you don't need that kind of a man in your life, especially if you are once hot. You don't need that. You need people that have brain. You want to high money, they no look more. You need the one that they rather say never. Not the intelligent is so when all you get back where we could be why I push it life. That is how life move forward. Okay, my people. If you are a single mother or you are a single daddy, try this logic. Trust me. Because I could advise you to go to date site if you are a single person. But most of the date site now is a lot of fake blackmail. You will say na date site now you see whereas what I was you know. Akwa dote mona ni oni we amie be kokoro ko wa ni won wabo emi egbene okay we no do ban do amayen ologo. I believe that one is better than this side. Because this side of my man, let me to see if you're trouble. Okay, my people. That one pass for them. So I gave it to you where I want play. So this video, I am going to play it. We all left for inside. So please, if you have any opinion, share this video, guys, please. Because if na saga, just na everybody go many. It's not nice. I told you, if you are a kind of person, you need happiness in your life. Never you go this like me. I was once hot. Exactly, my dear. So you don't even need that this side, you know, money there. Just try this one. We are just you see, it's a very logic is good. You can go there. All of a sudden, you do who me if we salabaga me because abaga me me pass no that but me fien ne because me keni carry me lele here. Me keni me lele here ni no fake. No fake. No. Fake, many for this side, my darling. You understand? Me keni obi odeni carry me lele. Me merely gas people ni me kamieva. Ima mi o ano mu mi ahia. Ima mi motor ni driver will take a drop with the taxi. Iwa get there, your mission get there, honey. Ivari, I go. He mana ruwe. E keni na figi e breaking me heart ni e go alo baby kiaba. Baby e like baby jonko. Ha ba baby va. My new born be. Obi, are you surprised? I dare ye. Ha no go come here. Because the when we make me laugh in here, you know near. How to we be moving? No ya wo. I made the end the stalabista. It all ya eight. Eki boma ho. So far no I'm missing it way. Knit yourself. Clean yourself up. Alright, one me man be one me appearance. You can see it if you have one distance. You can just read this person with wow. One kind of person like this, you know. Alright, my people, that is it. Okay? I know say a lot of people they don't hurt with even our tribe person where we call say na our own. They don't hurt us, but we cannot, because of say man hurt us, because of the hurt where person hurts you, you can't get that one for meadow. Any man where you toast you or where chase you, where spoke you. Hey, what where to be dinner? Hey, but don't carry off to me na. I'm where you're where you messy go. Because I am here, on one down. Many men are still good no matter anything. They are still good. Okay? Hello? 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 Talk, my sister. You're not there for speaker. AJ, your butter. AJ, your butter, though. A new tea, my sister. Baby, I'm baby. Call you. Okay. Okay. Okwabiho. Omo when also no. Wa metete me later because they live video better one of my men no tawo. Omo rock ba won me later ya finish in mo. Okay, darling. Bye. So that is it, my beautiful people. Okay? Don't just not just feel say your life don't finish. Anything where you feel experience for man. If you get that for your mind, I was hurt by this person. I was a lesbian or yamahi. Oh, one marry messing go. Oh, you need set it by your side. Yes. You need your best friend. Yes. You need your partner. Yes. You must move on. We move. Not so. So don't carry up for my sock. All those things. No. You want your ba. Only money, me plan. Man, walk on me. We plan bigger. I can't walk. So my beautiful people, that is it. Let me play one record. You know, we were talking yesterday. Invite this video, please, my people. Invite this video. Share, please, my people. It's very important because I'm not going to repeat anything again. It will be repeated. Okay? Share this video, please. There is a video I would like to play. Okay. Just listen. Yesterday, good evening, my darling. We dey talk about say how you take give man, like sucking of breast, giving your breast, your books to your man. You know they say yesterday we talk in a form of joke say, "Okpare no work as a book baby, no dey me when you bo." No that way o no nyai. O someone can o ya me BP ri uto. Iyo pam be yo bi no se na. O wa bi mu be yo. Ye ke Imake home abi. Oh yes, yes. All right. Or where ohu bada omodo. Oga wabio me okbeane onaka wabio moka ona bio hu ne. Ohia eni o tie mu wan. Oga gbe ibi nu po giver. Ona gi bio pe akogodo so to ne. Ori mu pe. O gazi ni otu e kwa jajajaja. Body to body ni o feel the one where the current is there. Or a benu give out or so can. Idiono. Women not tanania. More matter. Adi me make. Or my baby baby no me. Even he me tana. Me pretend. I'm not a pretend type. I'm a very straightforward person. People may not like it. It doesn't matter. After all, you cannot please everybody. You please some people, they will appreciate you. But people you don't please, expect them to come and humiliate you or to dislike you. That is life. Okay? So let's go to this audio, my people. Now, pastor is a man of God. He's talking about how you will feed your husband. Now, ma, now you get the bones parcel. Don't be say only baby. Get where you breastfeed your baby rich. You go drop off here and win. No care. But that for you know. Oh, I'm on your winning pony. Or no, so my people listen. Okay, listen, guys.
When you get tired, one thing that relaxes your nerves is breast. I will not collect offering for this one. No matter how you are stressful, just get breast and start sucking. You will cool down. Even if you don't have a condition, you will start cooling down. I have taught you one secret in life. Anytime you feel very stressed and tension, just lie down, turn your neck like this and start sucking breast. You will tame down.
Shebuna, listen. Hello. Hello? Hey, pa bota o. Hey, pa ire live video, eh? Hey, ya true, ya tiwe. Okay. Okay, guys. Shebuna here. I be make a play am again. You know, say if we dey talk, and this a man of God is talking now. Hear am again. Okay? Hear am.
When you get tired, one thing that relaxes your nerves is breast. I will not collect offering for this one. No matter how you are stressful, just get breast and start sucking. You will cool down. Even if you don't have a condition, you will start cooling down. I have taught you one secret in life. Anytime you feel very stressed and tension, just lie down, turn your neck like this and start sucking breast. You will tame down.
Hallelujah, somebody. Shebuna don't hear am. If not, this one not be me the talk so. Not be me the talk so. Now ma, now you talk and so inside church. Now you talk and say anytime when you distress or tired, you have a hefty day. Immediately you reach house, turn your head, begin to be. Anyhow, soccer. It go make your brain. The follow, you are not hearing. Happy don't put volume. This one sometimes it be the lado. You understand? Make a play and make it.
When you get tired, one thing that relaxes your nerves is breast. I will not collect offering for this one. No matter how you are stressful, just get breast and start sucking. You will cool down. Even if you don't have a condition, you will start cooling down. I have taught you one secret in life. Anytime you feel very stressed and tension, just lie down, turn your neck like this and start sucking breast. You will tame down.
Hallelujah, somebody. Amen, somebody. Shebuna don't hear am. Anytime. Thank you, my darling. Anytime you are stressful, tired, have headache, the first medicine where you go take, after you just come, take your bath. You want that from where you came be. I talked yesterday. When I will say, Mama, na orgasm ministry. No, we are not talking about orgasm ministry. We are saying the facts here. You enjoy your husband enjoy your class. Now it be this. Let's forget about the orgasm. Communication comes first before the orgasm. You cannot just get your orgasm because where orgasm no, something must relate to the orgasm. Something must relate to that orgasm. And something they cause the orgasm. He say anytime when you dey stressful, as a man, e ma when waru dey when waga gi jin when aru da eme wa gmakana or yen egbe. Okay? Just come, take your bath. Relax. Put your head for your wife lap. Let her take you like a baby. I said it yesterday. What more you want to be no? More you. What you measure? Iyo ya fefe no we obi si wona. Ew. Oni iyo ya ni yo ya fefe mu hi agogwa. Umwe hi agogwa. Erere we you talk. You communicate, focus. Uri onwe so talk. Because why? Onwe mwina no jebe gbok ya. As a woman, any man where they kiss, you don't kiss your wife or you kiss a lady. You kiss a lady. And also, a lady is breastfeeding you. Bro. O taking away your lady. You go watch your womajo. Or lady of ya po. You understand? Or gabi aroe. Immediately you marry. Your husband don't talk to your son. You don't talk to his sister. You don't talk to his mama. Now so it still be for me. If you don't marry, your wife is not your senior sister. At the same time, she is not your mother. Anytime you are roe, osaba give so dae osaba give si egbeya we you must hear the feelings. You must hear the feelings. Say no. I don't like the way I'm getting this sound. Egbe we one kind. On your see donedo. Here I can't wear me in the traditional way. Mama boy, please. This one where I want us to finally right time. Or for when I receive, who can't wear me not that from way. I can't wear no leru ne. If I don't make mistake, I will no more better when or we muka when or maybe okay a more a when kekebere on your god that former. You can't wear me ne because you are not like I can't wear me but I'm marine. I can't wear me in the traditional way of Africa again. Or Maggie concerning ye no be able to no boom or Bokaya Tilatia. He will not do winning because we will be on how I say me. You understand? So that is different. When I'm married, happy say it already don't go by a berry. Mommy, who measure not that. So the breast is very important. Take your husband's head like a baby. Breastfeed him. Through that breastfeeding, Horigo. Yes, a one when winning, who said Jan was then when or your bobby did not baji, or what daji, because you're near, you will be from when I get baby, or you born up what you long, why you boy ye giving, why you boy you, yay, oh God, oh God, oh God. Oh God, oh Jesus. Oh, what me when me on funny boa. If I when I wear me of a day, rima, vade. Oh, that make baby man. So that is it, my people. Yes, that is it. We have to do it together. But my Suzy cannot do it alone. We have to do it together. Okay, my people. Like most time they put up for evening now so that all of us go there, we go do it together. But if you want me to be doing every time, let me know if you can't feel the talk every day. I will go the great transport. The day I will be free, I will be doing it. Alright? So anybody, even though not 20 people there, it don't matter. We'll just talk and we'll just come up because my sisters and my brothers, except if somebody call me, I don't have slap for saga. I am too big for that. Allah lenufe. I get you Larry Oguzo Agideveki. As a mother, as a matured woman, I know my position. You know matter say I consider for life with the call the say you decrease you demand. You know me say we don't know our class. So you know me say we don't know ourselves. Okay? If some color they contribute, they talk with it, they are not rich. Some people will say, Mama, just tired. You believe? I always tell you people. My first visit to Nigeria is 2009. I was once bring stamp. Okay, Moritala Muhammad. Stamp. Man, the page on the bunny me. We me paper to best me me man Nigeria every time. I still get many passports. We are never condemned. We are take they go Nigeria. Now you go see some call away go talk. Me rock bow. Imagine Nigeria tell. Pay o. Mono now. Because egbe mara e ba na be mi o ma be no be je mi ye no be kun be ti se mi ame ni kun mi o wa be pike o we ma ta wa no o ma egele je Nigeria de o ma egele wono na de ya gare Nigeria is my country. I am proud to go to my country. Nigeria is not a place you can just go like that. Why ya pekpelo yi me boyfriend be Nigeria mo do be Nigeria. Wo ke ga di jam mo bojo. Omo ni me ho ba no. On enjoy life for me personal life for women. It's so I call it no be obi any worry tiri mo so na wasi anira hello somebody. You are just talking from one no matter the boy again we tana we no contribute to now. It's possible you are just 20 years. Ege me ya la we ba my kwe bi we wari ya abe mi omo na ka bi hera be ye there. We are ya me someone in Nigeria for 3 months or monare Nigeria for 3 months. Where ya we have to stop lying. That cannot pay us. It's not nice. That is false weakness. You are just like you are saying what you don't know about anybody. You don't even know me. How they talk on away this social media and I don't know me. People will know me for social media. If I sit there, I know them. A lot of people know me. They know me where. I never stay many countries like this Belgium here. People don't really know me in Belgium. I will not lie about it because I'm not the type that go to people's home or marry women. No. People that really know me is people I know far back years in Torino. Okay, many people, those church their father love them. Oh, those one, I know them where we know. Somebody said that we know our people with Musia. That is the last place I spent last before I can call here, my people. So do not believe what people are saying because a lot of people they are lying. Okay, they are lying because I just can't look and say majority of them. They are lying, so you don't need, really, actually, you don't need to believe on what they are saying again on social media. That is the reason we need to move forward to avoid them. We need to move forward. Most scholar and commenter, no good, die better. My dear, young women, they are all too much. Okay? Even my old little bubble, this one away is small. That be this one. My little bubble, when it is small picking that time, that be this one. See, this one, the one where this one is old one. This one when I don't promise to go Nigeria. That be this one, 2012, when I lost my dad. So I was in Nigeria one time. Okay, my people. Now don't be come, don't be babao. Me I know Sadion start now. Yeah, they will Sadion here. This one when it is small picking. Yeah. Okay. Hastampenyagbe. This one also is my passport. Man, this one are all those Nigeria passport we don't hold long time ago. I'm coming, my people. This one is my face. Different stamp. Different stamp. All those passports, they don't condemn. Now, old one. Even this one on my own also. You see this one, they don't condemn this one. All those one are all passports. Me marry having me feel quoi, you see. You see. Another one again. See. All this one don't condemn me, video. I know ya will. This one I'm this one also this one don't condemn all time. Consular this thing already did. So some caller you will just go and say, you never go to Nigeria before. Good evening, Kate Michelle, my lovely sister. You never go to Nigeria before. You no get document oh. You no get document. No allow my people. She no get document. She never go Nigeria one time. Oh. She never go Nigeria one time. Oh. She not dey go Nigeria. She never go Nigeria one time. See, yeah, we are my only loan. This is my document. You see it. It's my own. Me. That is the reason I conclude, I decide I will never reply all those people. You man, the beg Australia, US, the television. They stay in one place. A news now, oh, but me na news yo. New president of America one. Okay, na ya die. Let's tell you now. Hey, when you parade ave ya America, o wa beso po wa yo. E coronavirus now. Awe e mano e corona se Australia yan pu. Australia yan show na. Hello, somebody. On a Belgium. Belgium na kana be Brussels. He give me ukome. Ako lipiki na una ukome. Oh. E dia so Belgium. De mega ido latia. Me keke buwe ma to gbatwa rigmaro. I beg. I don't look, I don't take no. It not good. It not make sense. It not make sense. You can't be say, it don't make sense. Aspect of property. I am not bragging. It be a car. Aspect of property, I am not bragging. Property, I am not bragging. If I want to count property, count it. Count all my junior ones property. Okay, we have a view your sides on my coming. We are 6 in number in my mother's children. 5 of us. We did this abroad. Only one in Nigeria. Only one way in Nigeria. Now your personal house, your husband's house. Now you did 3 flats. Not be saying I go come. Egbima wa agwale 4 flat both Benin City and Lagos. And we dey run am. We move. Wa agwale latest duplex ni gbe oko. No wana akoto to age glass ya so do. And we dey run am. Wa agwale 2 flat wa agwale bungalow. Latest bungalow ni gbe oko ni wen na da mi en wa mi o sawo fo. Na we dey run am. So wa do I reply my so. We median. We do a reply ma so do ye na me wa be ma do atali talo. E talo where no ma keke. You go come be say you with them at the same time. Una the day for the same level. I can't take my people. And I can't take quantity say this social media where we dey so. You can never ever please everybody. Because those one you please, they will be your best friend. Those one you don't please, you will have enemy from there. Oh, good general. Good evening, my brother. And also, they cannot like you because you know can dance to their tones. You know they do what they want, make you they do. The person where they not like where they eat, you know can join them to eat time. Maybe no ye na where ya. That is the reason. You need to calm down. Don't let them to use their depression to come and rob you. All right? It's possible by the end of this month or early next month, I will be in Spain because I'm going there. It's very, very, very important. Yeah, maybe 2 days. All right, my people. You travel where I travel. My first Spanish document, I have it since 2005. Oh, yes. Hold your banner gear and a doba guy. Before I come out of social media, I can't talk. If I say I am gallant, over too gallant. It's all a bay. I told you guys before, I don't pay house rent. I don't pay house rent. I don't buy clothes for myself. I don't buy shoe either. Anything way I want, I dey see ya. Now my brain, now I take the do. Okay, even the time where they contribute for a power live video that time, I'm always like this, straightforward. People many where they bring in matter come when we talk, and they always stay for the right track and they say the truth. You where I talk for a matter, you know, like I not please you, but does it give you the audacity to come and declare me as your enemy? No, you don't know that when he bias. Some people can be jealous because your beauty. They can be jealous. Some people can be jealous because they are jealous about the way you talk. Some people, they are jealous because you dress beautiful. Some people can be jealous because, oh, wow, you always said she don't have stress. She don't have stress. Yes, I don't have stress. That is truth. That is truth. I told you guys how I get my first document. Man must give you everything. I am not the kind of a woman like that. Me to be me. Ono se ni na ava se ma be courageous no mo do hi. No mo do we hi. Udu magume ya roi ka ye mwe ube. Ije mwe ya hoye. All right, thank you, darling. Ije mwe hoye. I aje mwe hoye na hoye be na hoye be na. I age what wa we gbe we je setting we no arewa udu awon ga. Who are a degree in your low boy 38 degree. Who are more where you are now with the chest. Oh, no, do where you can also Timutiano, we are where dinner. Ah, see you. Haggle see you. Not be saying Uncle Con. How they talk? What they got woman? I don't take alcohol. People that are close to me, they know very well. When I see a live video where they do say the father of my children, or they see the video. Hey, yeah. Oh. You just said I'm not the same. Everything is the same. You know that I'm just there to do my things. Sometimes when we go talk, that's how when I deal with my father of my children. Oh, get no be oh funny be. Okay, that is it. I'm just on live video here to play, to do what please me, not what is going to please you, because you don't pay my bills. You don't pay my bills. You don't buy my telephone. You don't even know me from anywhere. Okay? Oh, man, that dog stay. Okay? If you don't like me, no wahala. Anything we do, no talk put. Stay your home. If I don't like you, it's no problem. Anything where you do, I not go talk put. I talked put for this matter yesterday because it concerns me. I'm human for crying out loud. I cannot allow anybody, you don't know me before, you will just call on one platform. You will just start discriminating me. What you don't even know about me, you are lying. This is how they do it last year as well. Hey, my daughter is Nenemyo. My daughter is one now. My daughter one now. He dated this man. The man they are talking about that I even did. It was 1996, my people. Not even new. Ebe kiok money, ha. Ebe kiok money abi ha. I am na guepa. Ekia na une me magi jere benifie kwani je. Me netoni je me magi jere. Me we gbebe say Nigeria tell me we gbebe ya gboro re guy. No. I'm a kind of person, if I never move forward. That is it. You can't go now, a boy in the little while. Yes, a little bit, then I'm mortal, you care who me. I would not like to go. No. Excuse me. I don't do that. Yeah, when we decide about where you make a piece with it, and I want to go back. I will still let you people to know. You are not telling me say no, not telling me not telling me say. I'm a social media person already. I'm a social media person already. Nothing can change it. So any video where I take contribute for this live video, if you have the audio, please, I beg you. I want to be seen the way I take the contribute that time. I want to hear it again because anything where I talk for a platform. I'm a very straightforward person. Imalaja with a fake account for one day. You got a fake account. Where me a picture me, over a party the picture me ladia. If not say no one of my can the picture me ladia. Because one of my mind, he won't say, where to do my picture me. Yeah, I fake account today, man. Even the WhatsApp, if I fake account today, a picture fake WhatsApp, but I am too big to be doing that. You don't get to make me to let about you to about you. You know we have. Me only measure ni me experience ya rigio to ni man it way. Me ga kwa about you ni. Be ma ken ya so mo encouraging e dem ata no de oge. E ma so akwa about you no we ya name me. I think never we because am I we ba. That is another problem in my face. How can you ya name fake account? Oh logo because me can bet ya gwa le fake account because I don't know them. Even with them, a lot of people they know me far back as Italy. You just say, Percy, we not see your picture. We not know your picture. Say you they do audio. They go know your voice. Ube mana voice me mami go ma be ero no voice me. O mani no a bestie many. Em ya me bestie me bestie. O ya ta mo we mama Suzy yon wagwan. He wata. You honey mama Suzy. Honey be yekpa. O be tami bestie o be. That bestie where you get another bestie. Honey be tami not ba. Eri o ya latin. So I have decided already to face reality of my life. To stop asking people. Except when I be too much book me ya avon kwa. Ikebe ade be yokba be niya. Ami wa nemero onu. Like what I said, you get what do distract me na do me we omo me depression. Depression I can invite all you talk babo. I be 10,000 euro dojo yimu me ni ayewo. I can see it at the moment. Yeah, we no sunu na di adegi ma ya wan egbe me. I am lying. Osu bo sabalogi ma to se we say ma fia wo yira biji ma o. Ma yari ari ya pokpon. I am lying. I see it already. I've been saying it before. That many people that be contributed, they are not okay. Again, me na contribute to a video we la den. Iri regret because e maka de kakama we buy stop eh. Wa yari ke na contribute la den. Maka asi muro koma we buy stop eh. Wa kare ke na contribute la den. Maka dwore de odere ama we buy stop eh. A legacy ni me build right from time ga deni. All je le make it today because that make ka do ka savoir go mari e ho ye me do atota me den na we ya na me mege unu yes ni egbe ni na ta ni eti fia ye yes ni re. I enter Bejo 2011 April 8 now enter. Now this year complete 10 years. Next year April again 2022 we complete 11 years in Belgium. Again me ya kwa me platform again the one bu eme. Yeah eme of course one me ran is normal. Okay? So that is it. So I want to so get anywhere. How can you just come and fabricate issue in your Nigeria? Weibo. It's all Weibo no. It's there for your information. It's there because we got there. Osaloba give me okpa go on. E share that for me on way. Did you think me here na kwa? E share na kwa. E social media na we na me on. All insurance where are we insurance? Insurance is like it goes soon. Where you have insurance, it's like a susu money. Now so insurance day. Insurance now susu money. Now what you get, you go they pay put. You are pay for your insurance. What you insurance in you are low here. At the end of the day, when you do no, and it's not compulsory because you are married to this person, where you have the right, you are the title. No can insurance in it. No, it's not compulsory. If you feel married with somebody who get life insurance, if you with that way, you got to say we say like insurance in our ya koko lobo ya no rewo na. Or at all time, if not I tag lewe. Or ti wa me gban ya we got to say we say insurance be na. E kita ya ro gede wo na wa ya adele be ani. Or time not time. I feel we dey yon gbe mi e yo to. The only thing who benefit the bear okbia. We eti we na kian according to the law of Belgium. Una nyogo na re 20 years una be na ebu we una na or una be ni daki. At the age of 20 years, it can or 18 years, will be no one in it. Or one got to say, we said, you are entitled to widow money that will be given you. But, age, you man, I can mind 70, 40 upwards a year, you are under 30 something to 40, who might be a bony, who got married. I don't think you work here in Belgium, I had a no, because you are still young, healthy. You need to go and work, except if you are sick. That's all. So you see on social media here, they will just come, near I don't say what they know. No, I know a lot of things. It's not bad to speak English, no. Me, I know many things about health. Many, even university level. You don't even know it. I have seen a lot of things in my life. I have experience. Both the bad one and the good one. That is the reason I'm a nigger mama. Me the good and the bad, no rough, no raw, anyhow. I don't see now. I know the too much, the less things they bother me in the sense that I don't see. If you don't see, you don't see. There is nothing to do about it. Or see, I may so gay feeling. It means a very only wherever me give back appearance on my way. Oh, sister. Oh, I got away. No, I get warning. Immediately you are coming. I'm a very inquisitive person. If you they talk to me, if you don't have phone, television, or a phone call me and you they talk, I go they read you from inside. I have that sense. It's a way I carry Bella, they talk, I pay my papa where. Because my papa knows all your children are too smart, are too intelligent. I dey behave like man. And I may be my friend that time. And we they run out that time. Okpani wa mo ga gume ko ga yere big bi no amu we ga defeated for. Ask. They will tell you. Yeah, give me so just the laugh. It was boy. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. We're not your way, guy. Oh God. Did he go pay me? He would be like your man. If he saw only me can wait 10, 15 years ago. He tried to get away when he would go. He been out when he would be really man. We're not get time later. Oh, what. Mama, you're just. Okay, my people. I don't like when someone will come here and control me because I'm not your mate. You don't pay my bills. That is what we are talking about now. We need to stay in our lane. Okay? We need to stay in our lane. Even we don't down anywhere, how me when you teach me teach. Come and join me to teach it. I'm not your doctor, I'm not your therapy, you don't pay me. Okay? I can decide to do anything I want to do. It's my page. I will not like any commenter to come and control me, or any caller to come and control me, or any presenter to come and control me. Wow. I don't like it. I believe say the internet where you take write this message here, you can as well on your live video. Do it more than me. That is it. That is it, my people. People don't want to hear. They don't want to hear the truth. It pays a lot when you are telling the truth, the kind of person you are. Because they want to neglect you now. Where they just go now. Yesterday, any platform where they call, we no king, we are no go. Joe. Because why? You have the same brain with them. You communicate with them. You are a kind of person like them. That is the reason you always get there, because you are a fantasy person. Probably can not be a girl and when I get it's possible. I will not blame you for that. I am not your mother. I am not your guardian angel. It's what you like, it's what pleases you. I go my visual. The same way the man like do ye comment to ya anyhow. I don't like it. I can decide to off my live video. Even Facebook baba it. If father notice, I don't want to do again. That is it. It will not please on my okay, my people. So don't let anybody push you. Don't let anybody to just push you because the person wants you to come and please him. Because many people, we don't live in a life of, say, they want make you come please them, make you make them happy. But they want to give you pains. Trust me. He not be the only person where you see for media. It can be your mother. It can be your sister. It can be your husband. It can be your boyfriend. It can be your sugar daddy. It can be your own personal children. A greedy person is always a greedy person. It no matter where you come from. No. All area na day. Like for example, now you go do something for your family for Nigeria. You will please them. You go buy land. This my platform is for any area. Even no one not only where I do no, I a keke. Anyone was said, but everything I said is true. Try it, it will work for you. But another time, on the same time, we need to teach something also that will give us sense also, that will make us smart. Even in my yam, you never see some family, you come out, they turn out. You enter abroad, you build house for them. You do this one for them. After everything where you don't do for them, my people, at the end of the day, you will just tell them, you want to get married. Jawa go just gast. Oko ba te iekwe. Iekwe. Iya mana mo bogun if they bear and say they not talk. Okpani do yo jawo bian. E no je no pere oje woku. We mi e ke no tun pe ogbena ye property ogbena yo what you. We no je beside do kori oje beside do my people. Believe me. We gari uni ani ya wow. Menu we wala we bonu gba life we kun ani ya. I be say dem me no pa no na we tab we this is what I want for my life. Oh, I want to be happy. Oh, I deserve to be happy. They don't want to hear that. That is greedy people. Thank you, my darling. That is greedy people. They don't care about what you feel. They don't even care. Because they don't care. They always care about their own. At the end of the day, senior brother or senior sister or any can come from last month, whatever, they follow and they drag the property. Or we hear the one where 1 year so far, you never see anything. Oh, go 1 year so said he we hey. Now maybe built my house before. But you have time where we so far, he is so far away. Or where one don't more when well. Who must to compensate. But me. Who we manner when we wake when we gaga. Ye ya to be with see your phone. Ye change any end babble when you hear. When me, I don't see the bandina cake, I see the basic and I see the basic. But one I with your bonia near Mary Muleji. This thing we are talking about now, if you know them my body, not me say not they your body. If you know they your body, not me say not they another person body. If I don't know what me say, or what I do with Pakpera. We were there abroad, we need to learn, I beg. We need to learn. We don't need to go where they told you, the class you demand, that will not help you. Social media is a very big platform to learn, to trade, to wise, to do anything you want to do. Positive day, negative day, good one day, bad one day, ragamuffin day, calm day, intelligent day, anything where you define. Now say a day. But now depends people where you follow move. The kind of angle where you they like. If not to the insult person how you they like for social media, carry on not to do you. If not to contribute lie against somebody because you don't like the person, that is your that is your desire. Continue to be doing it. There is no problem. Okay? If not to come and learn, now you day. Trust me, my people. You not go miss. You go learn. You go learn. And if you're a live video presenter, especially if you are doing hookup, or maybe, for example, you are just talking about those aspects of having feelings, you will be getting different type of temptation in different angle. All those small boy, they go come, they send different message. They go come write the kind SMS where be say, you are like my mother, you are like the sugar in my tea. I love you, get that back. I like you say tomorrow, no day. Your love, they make me jiggy. Like it anyway. When I see you, my mind go make me gear. They will break all of them come. If you not get wisdom, you not get sense, you go fall for inside tubu. Immediately you talk for inside tubu, wahala go come. Yawa go gas. It's possible say don't they record you. It's possible say you don't because of the sweetie you don't fall in love. Yahoo don't fool everywhere. You don't see that the person where in Nigeria you go they operate with Austrian number. You never see anything. You never see person where they Austria go they operate with Italian number. Ideo. Me I don't see person where get Nigeria. Now Nigeria it get all those Euro SIM card. Oh wallow. Oh Spain, oh Italy, oh Germany, oh Italy, oh Holland, oh yeah. Oh me yeah. If one now Yahoo, what do you take there for? You think they are not smart. If they are not smart, you don't say some people they carry. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. You are welcome. You not see and say that documented that they do one for this abroad. You don't say that they do one for this abroad. E.g. like Spain. E.g. like Spain. Madrid. All documents where you go they find for this time where you know they see for Madrid. A country where my they were a passport who me here wedding with tagbo behere system but me ya no waru well where the difference between the good one and the bad one. Here kiari no or say police ga control one be document will be where here kakabo sovio to the instant where here mu palai here gi mu pagilana because here beg any fake document in the police me obo ke wa no where oh no we do cast in Madrid because se va na me read am ya. Okay, my people. So we don't need to always go and listen for where a negative day. We need to be serious in our life. Ege no gbera ri de. Me do ri me buane. But like we are doing this thing, like this thing where I play just now, say you have to give your breast to your mouth to suck. Now somebody will like this program, I said that can't give me. And I appreciate them. Now pastor, now preacher. Now pastor, now preacher, internet, now police, they do fake documents. Thank you, my darling. That kind of person already a like when I been here, so wafian ya le yo lere will be there. See the dog by the police one every day for the owner, every day for thief, one day for the owner. What if we never see? Fake life, pretender. People will not like you. Good evening, my love. People will not like you all of the day. But we will not allow the hour to come and destroy our hour because we still have future. I mean, one day you was up on my way at moment, and then no every man a mission. Ni maru dairo me purpose no good in my yeva. Etima is by his grace. Is by his grace. I don't really care anything on one after with live video now. Sometimes I will bug me, you know. If not saying the next baby because I don't look around viewing like what I tell my beautiful sister this evening. If you expect them to come and like what you are doing, either you are wrong or you are right, or even though you are doing the good thing, they will still change it to be a bad thing. That is only their way because they don't like you. Good evening, my darling. Because they don't like you, you cannot expect say person way. You never see where person they hate person natural. He go hate you to that extent to say, or I beg away. Beg on a video. Okay, no zagu be your wow. Later you go and watch it, my dear. Because so can't then never saw you your must be a because be Aproko, but so many beg. You must way. Suzy way like small boy prick. Where my friend email. Era my friend me. A senior brother with my friend me. Era no kwa my friend me. Wagi yangi like a small boys. I like bodu wa my friend me. Wagi yangi like a small boys here. But when no boys you're not getting out where matter all time. And those people they are doing it with fake accounts. Okay, that was the reason. You compare me or not this class. Guys, you go and look it later, my darling, you hear? That is it, my people. So we don't need to stress over irrelevant things. Do you understand me, my people? Because I will not let this video too long. I have other things to do also. Now, since I day here, so almost 2 or 3 calls, even though we are white, I say, okay, if I finish, I will call them back. We need one another to help ourselves. I need to now help me. I go help now. Money is not everything. Encouragement is very important. Advice is very important. Okay, my people. That is it. I'm not here to make saga with anybody again because I better running them. I better yarning. If I love him, I believe that people will love me. Now they watch me so. You like me, that is the reason you are here. If you don't like me, maybe you don't go see. So any live video where you go, that person they talk, all those things. Now make us some people go they talk. I like presenter where go they ask or say, you know the person, how you tell Noah, where you dey, where she they live, you be relative. I like people they ask questions like that. But some caller, good evening, my love, they will not ask. They will just open the platform because the Facebook are going to pick them. They will be using your insult to build their Facebook. But they forget say now another person let down. Another person humiliation. That be the money where the person want collect. So that be the person where the money they collect. But me, I will not do that. Everybody like money. Who not like better thing? You know they. I like money, but I don't have any intention to go and bring anybody on social media. It do that's not baby na go degbe. We nena mori life in the person. More control Imanya document he pay tax he pay insurance moto he pay at the end of the year this thing the motor. I cannot do that because was or I don't know about where or I get your